This is an accessible Surfside Family Suite on Star of the Seas. We specifically booked this cabin because we thought it was one of the absolute best values for a family at sea. For our sailing, we paid around $7,700. For that price, we were expecting an incredible suite with some truly amazing perks. But then we heard a rumor that sent us scrambling, that a huge change was coming. We titled this video, "Don't Book This Suite After May 2026, because we'd seen information suggesting this suite was about to lose its single biggest benefit. So we dug in to get to the bottom of it. In this video, we're going to give you a full, in-depth tour, but more importantly, we're going to share what we found. The real story is a bit more complicated, and you're going to want to see this before you spend your money. Alright, let's start the tour right at the entrance, because it's pretty impressive. One of the first things you'll notice is this wide automatic door, a fantastic accessibility feature. Just inside, you've got an accessible bathroom with full roll-in shower with grab bars and a built-in shower bench, plus lowered roll under vanity, making the whole space incredibly functional. Moving into the main cabin, the first thing that hits you is just how much space there is. You have a Royal King bed that can also be separated, with nightstands with plenty of charging ports on both sides. But the real draw for families is right here, the separated kids nook. It's a dedicated space with its own pull-out sofa, giving parents some actual separation and privacy. You can tell this was truly designed with families in mind. And now for the balcony. It's got a ramp for easy access, and it looks right out over the bustling Surfside neighborhood. It's the perfect spot to have your morning coffee while the kids watch all the action down below. Now, all these physical features are fantastic, but they aren't the real reason this suite's value is being debated. The real confusion comes down to its suite class. Here's where things get really interesting. Based on our sailing, this suite was sold with Sky Class benefits. Sky Class is what makes a suite an amazing value. As a Sky Class guest, you get perks like complimentary Voom internet for everyone in your cabin. You get personalized service from the suite concierge, who can handle all of your dining and show reservations. And most importantly, you get access to the exclusive suite neighborhood. This includes the private suite sun deck and the suite lounge, which offers free drinks and hors d'oeuvres during the evening hour. The biggest perk of all, though, is access to Coastal Kitchen. As a Sky Class guest, you can get to dine at this suite exclusive restaurant for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's like having a free specialty restaurant for every single meal, and the food is a major step up from the main dining room. All of this was included, well, for our sailing. Okay, here's the critical piece of information you need to know. We were able to confirm that for any sailing on or after May 2nd, 2026, the Surfside Family Suite will be demoted from Sky Class to C Class. This isn't just a tiny tweak, it's a massive downgrade that completely changes the value proposition of this cabin. So what does this actually mean for you? It means all those incredible Sky Class perks just talked about are disappearing. After that date, you will no longer have access to the suite lounge or those complimentary evening cocktails. The dedicated suite concierge service will be gone. The free internet access will be removed. And that amazing dining benefit, your access to Coastal Kitchen will be restricted to dinner only, and even that is based on availability. Breakfast and lunch will no longer be an option. If you're finding this information useful, and it might just save you from a costly cruising mistake, do us a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel and helps get this important update out to more people who need to see it. So what's our final verdict? The accessible Surfside Suite is still a beautifully designed cabin with great physical features for families. No one's debating that. However, without the Sky Class benefits, the value for your money drops off a cliff. You're losing thousands of dollars worth of perks like premium dining, concierge service, and high-speed internet. Our advice is simple. If you want to experience this suite with the full package of benefits that make it one of the best deals at sea, you must book a sailing that departs before May 2nd, 2026. After that date, you'll be paying a premium suite price for an experience that is much closer to a standard balcony cabin. It's still a great room, but the incredible value we booked it for will be gone. Now we want to know what you think. Does this change in perks affect your decision to book this suite? If you've already have a trip booked after the cutoff, how do you feel about this? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And as always, we remind you to navigate your world.